Best electric scooters are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of, and put up 5 lists of the best electric scooters from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. We have included links in the description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Niu 300p. Experience the perfect blend of performance, style, and convenience with the Niu K100p/K200f/K300p electric scooter series for adults. Designed for city commuting, weekend adventures, or daily errands, these scooters offer a smooth and reliable ride, powered by high-performance motors ranging from 600W to 900W peak power. With top speeds of 17.4 to 20 miles per hour and a maximum range of 18 to 34 miles, you can enjoy long rides with confidence and efficiency. Built with adult riders in mind, the K300p model supports up to 265 pounds, featuring a robust alloy steel frame and durable rubber wheels for superior stability and safety. The all-terrain suspension ensures a comfortable ride even on bumpy streets or uneven paths, while the regenerative braking system adds extra safety and extends battery life. Turn signals and UL 2272 certification highlight NIU's commitment to safety and compliance with international standards. For added convenience, the K200F model features foldable handlebars, making storage and transport effortless, perfect for apartment dwellers or commuters using public transportation. The sleek and modern design, combined with advanced functionality, makes these electric scooters not only practical but stylish. Whether you're commuting, exploring your city, or enjoying outdoor adventures, the Niu K100p/K200f/K300p electric scooter provides a reliable, eco-friendly, and fun solution for adults who value performance, safety, and convenience in their rides. Upgrade your daily commute and enjoy the freedom of electric mobility today. Number 2. Gotrax electric scooter. Upgrade your daily commute and outdoor adventures with the Gotrax Eclipse electric scooter, designed for adults seeking speed, comfort, and convenience. Boasting a robust 500W motor and 48V battery, this scooter delivers impressive performance with a maximum range of up to 38 miles and top speeds of 20 to 28 miles per hour depending on your selected model. The all-aluminum body ensures durability and lightweight portability, while the foldable design makes it easy to store or carry when not in use. Equipped with 10-inch pneumatic tires, the Eclipse provides a smooth, stable ride over various surfaces, from city streets to light off-road terrain. The adjustable handlebars allow you to customize your riding position for maximum comfort, while the LED large display keeps you informed of speed, battery level, and riding mode at a glance. Cruise control adds convenience for longer rides, reducing hand fatigue while maintaining a consistent speed. Safety and visibility are priorities with built-in headlight and taillight systems, allowing you to ride confidently day or night. The combination of a lightweight aluminum frame, foldable mechanism, and durable rubber wheels ensures this scooter is as practical as it is stylish. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or enjoying recreational rides, the Gotrax Eclipse electric scooter delivers an exceptional riding experience with reliability, power, and ease of use. Its blend of performance features, long-range capability, and ergonomic design make it a top choice for adult riders looking for a fun, eco-friendly, and efficient transportation solution. Number 3. Segway Ninebot E2 Plus. Discover the perfect balance of performance, comfort, and safety with the Segway Ninebot E2 Plus 2, E2 Pro, and E3 Pro electric scooters. Designed for adult riders, these scooters offer a smooth, reliable, and efficient way to commute, explore, or enjoy urban adventures. With top speeds ranging from 15.5 to 20 miles per hour and long-range capabilities, you can travel farther while maintaining full control and comfort. The E3 Pro model features dual elastomer suspension, providing superior shock absorption for a smoother ride on bumpy streets or uneven terrain. All models include a dual braking system for reliable stopping power, ensuring safety during every journey. The large 2.8-inch dashboard keeps you informed of your speed, battery life, and riding mode, while the traction control system enhances stability and confidence on varying surfaces. Built with a durable alloy steel frame and rubber wheels, the Segway Ninebot scooters support up to 265 pounds, combining strength and durability in a sleek, modern design. The foldable design allows for easy portability and storage, making it ideal for commuters, apartment dwellers, or anyone looking to combine convenience with mobility. Additional features include compatibility with Apple Find My for easy location tracking, UL 2272 and 2271 certification for electrical safety, and a stylish, ergonomic design for comfortable riding. Whether commuting to work, running errands, or enjoying weekend rides, the Segway Ninebot E2 Plus 2, E2 Pro, and E3 Pro electric scooters deliver a reliable, safe, and enjoyable experience. Upgrade your daily travel with a scooter designed for performance, safety, and convenience. Number 4. Niu KQi Air. Elevate your commuting and recreational rides with the Niu KQi Air electric scooter, designed for adults who value performance, comfort, and portability. Crafted with a carbon fiber frame, this ultralight scooter offers exceptional strength while remaining easy to carry and maneuver. With a powerful 700W motor, the KQi Air reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour and delivers an impressive range of up to 31 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for city commutes, weekend adventures, or daily errands. The KQi Air features 9.5-inch tubeless fat tires that provide superior grip and stability on a variety of surfaces, while the wider 7.5-inch deck ensures a comfortable and secure stance for riders of all sizes. UL 2272 certification guarantees electrical safety, giving you peace of mind every time you ride. The combination of carbon fiber construction and thoughtful design makes this scooter both lightweight and durable, supporting riders up to 265 pounds. This model also emphasizes convenience, with a foldable design for easy storage and portability. Whether you're navigating urban streets, exploring parks, or taking your scooter on public transportation, the Niu KQi Air adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. Its sleek, modern design paired with high-performance features makes it a standout choice for adult riders seeking both style and substance. Enjoy a smooth, safe, and efficient ride every day with the Niu KQi Air electric scooter, where lightweight design, long-range capability, and superior handling come together in one premium package. Number 5. Segway Ninebot Max G2. Upgrade your scooter experience with the multifunctional scooter seat by Stio, designed for comfort, convenience, and practicality. Perfectly compatible with Segway Ninebot Max G2, G65, and Max 2 kick scooters, this original accessory transforms your scooter into a more versatile and comfortable ride for adults. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or enjoying a leisurely ride, this seat ensures a relaxed and enjoyable journey. The seat features a thick and soft cushion that provides superior comfort even during longer rides. Its ergonomic design reduces pressure and fatigue, making it ideal for daily commuting or extended outdoor adventures. Built with high-quality materials, including durable nylon, this seat is engineered for longevity and reliable performance. Integrated with a 10-liter large storage space bag, the scooter seat allows you to carry essentials such as a backpack, groceries, water bottle, or personal items conveniently. The storage bag is designed for easy access and secure attachment, keeping your belongings safe while you ride. Installation is quick and straightforward, with a secure attachment system that ensures stability and safety. The sleek black and orange color scheme adds a stylish touch to your scooter, while the driver's side orientation provides optimal ergonomics. Enhance your Segway Ninebot scooter with this multifunctional accessory, combining comfort, storage, and style. The Stio scooter seat with 10L storage bag is the perfect upgrade for adult riders seeking a more comfortable, practical, and enjoyable riding experience.